Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to the Traveling Flying channel. Today our video is about Hidcote Manor Garden, an arts and crafts inspired garden with intricately designed outdoor spaces in the rolling Cotswold Hills. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before I continue watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so you do not miss any video on the channel. Now sit back, relax and enjoy this video.
Hidcote Manor Garden is a garden in the United Kingdom, located at the village of Hidcote Bartram, near Chipping Campden, Gloucestershire. It is about 15 minutes driving from the beautiful and historic Cotswolds village of Broadway, in which we have a video, and you can watch it by clicking the cards that will appear up in this video. And it's about 2 hours driving from London. It is one of the best known and most influential arts and crafts gardens in Britain, with its linked rooms of hedges, rare trees, shrubs and herbaceous borders. Created by Lawrence Johnston, it is owned by the National Trust and is open to the public. The Italian shelter at Hidcote, located near the bathing pool, is a dedicated silent space. Here visitors can have a seat and take a moment to enjoy the sounds of nature. Silent space provides shelter, a resting place and a seat with a view to enjoy in a peaceful silence. Lawrence Johnston created the garden and was passionate about plants. He went to endless trouble and expense to find unusual varieties that would bring color, scent, shape, and texture to the garden. He traveled a lot, visiting faraway places like the Alps, South Africa, and China. He also exchanged plants with gardeners in far-flung countries, from Australia to Japan. He carefully selected only the finest varieties to bring back to Hidcote. Lawrence Johnston was influenced in creating his garden at Hidcote by the work of Alfred Parsons and Gertrude Jekyll, who were designing gardens of hardy plants contained within sequences of outdoor rooms. The theme was in the air. Vita Sackville West and Harold Nicholson's Sixty-Horse Castle Garden was laid out as a sequence of such space, without, it seems, direct connection with the reclusive and shy Major Johnston. Hidcote's outdoor rooms have various characters and themes, achieved by the use of box hedges and stone walls. These rooms, such as the White Garden and Fuchsia Garden, are linked, some by vistas, and furnished with topiaries. Some have ponds and fountains, and are all planted with flower embedding schemes. They surround the 17th century manor house, and there are a number of outhouses and a kitchen garden.
Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed, and once again I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you all on the next video. See you.